this is Stephanie and Sima doing the Walmart rap.
Wait, what's the next thing? What do I say?
Just go.
Yo, I go to Walmart like every day.
Oh yeah.
My shopping cart, and I go on my way, shop by the donut aisle, grab me one with a hot style. Ew, disgusting. Going through the toy section. Then I start to think about the 08 elections. Yo.
As I walk around and I find really found a scooter that I ride in the circle and people just stare and I don't really care because I wish they were me, as cool as can be. As I
go through all the items, look at all the prices. All I think is clearance with no interference. I'm so thankful for all the Bobo shoes, and I'm hoping I don't lose my mind. Then I find these hot-looking sandals. Then I smell them candles. But what I love the most is the radios.
turn up the volume to the max and the max, but Stephanie's back. Go to the makeover, give myself a makeover, and oh my god, there's a rollback. Put all the stuff in the sack. As I go on my way home, I look back
and see the smiley face while I trip on my shoelaces and glare at him and tell him, see you tomorrow. Say this one together.
So don't feel sorrow, don't fake a smile. See, I know